Question number 4. Order. Order. Question number 4, John O'Naylor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My question is to the Minister of Justice. What initiatives has she announced to support judges making family violence bail decisions?
The Honourable Amy Adams.
Mr. Speaker, yesterday I announced that from the 1st of September a pilot will begin in the Christchurch and Porirua courts, under which judges will receive a detailed new report on a defendant's family violence history when making bail decisions in family violence cases. The new report will show all recorded family violence incidents involving a defendant in an easy-to-read, summarised form. It was developed in partnership with the Judiciary, the Ministry of Justice and Police. Bail decisions are critical in family violence cases, giving judges a clear picture of previous patterns of offending when they're making bail decisions will help to protect victims from further harm. After a trial period and a review, it's expected the summary report will be rolled out nationally from early 2016.
Supplementary question.
Supplementary question, John O'Naylor.
What other work is underway to provide the Judiciary with the information it needs to keep victims safe?
The Honourable Amy Adams.
Mr. Speaker, it's become increasingly apparent to me that we need to make it easier for family and criminal courts to be able to share information in family violence cases. Currently, specified family violence information can only be shared between the courts if there is a protection order in place when the family violence offence happened. In my view, the family court should be able to access sentencing notes from the criminal court to help understand the severity of previous offending. And the criminal court should be able to get information such as the reasoning given by the family court for granting protection orders. I will shortly be announcing further changes to ensure judges in both the criminal and family jurisdictions have more comprehensive information available to support family violence decision-making.
Supplementary.
Supplementary question, John O'Naylor.
What other initiatives are in the pipeline to contribute to better sharing of information in family violence cases?
Mr. Speaker.
The Honourable Amy Adams.
The discussion document I've launched recently reviewing all family violence legislation specifically raises concerns about deficiencies in information sharing across and between all agencies involved in family violence cases, government and NGO. For example, I'm seeking views on creating a presumption that where there are family violence concerns, all relevant information should be disclosed. We've seen numerous death reviews and coroner's reports highlighting the need to better share information if we want to make inroads into our horrific family violence statistics, and this will continue to be a feature of the government's work programme in this regard.
Question number 5, Jan Logie.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.